Hi, everybody. Oh my goodness. How are you guys? Hope you're well. Whew. So, I tell you, it is super cold where I am. I'm in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's cold. I can't take it. I need to move to like sunny California or I don't know, Japan. So anyway, hi. I'm so glad to see you guys. So today is December 7th, 2022. We are going to see what we got in, of course, our Christmas advent calendar. Are you ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? I hope you're ready. I'm ready. Okay, let's see what we got. Alright guys, so you know the drill. I love to recap, just in case somebody didn't see the previous video, even though I hope you're watching every day, but just in case. Okay. Thunder bars. Give me them. Pokemon. No, I keep saying Pokemon. I don't know what it is with the P's today. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Pac-Man, hopefully. His eyes look like Pac-Man. So I'm thinking Pac-Man. Still can't get this guy out. Still can't see. Kind of struggling. Yeah. And then, of course, 2 happened. Alright. Let's see. 3. Kirby Planetarium. 4. Our awesome latte. Steps. 5. Our nice little squishies. Sushi. Right. 6. Those are cute bunnies. Bunny ribbed. Ooh, I see you. Alright, let's see where 7 is. Do you see 7? Oh, this would be my favorite place. I love books. I love to read. Reading is fundamental. Alright, let's see. Oh, wow. It's chocolate. Oh, yay. Look at that, guys. Chocolate. Tons of chocolate. Let's see. Ooh. Chocolate. Troll chocolate, which is actually really great, guys. If you haven't tried troll chocolate, it is phenomenal. I love troll chocolate. Oh, this is gonna be great. Great. Troll chocolate. Is that? Hold on, I might got it. Am I a little excited? Ooh, this is great. This is a great haul. Yummy. Yay. I love Sugoi Mart. Such awesome stuff. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.